Look up at the night sky. Every star you see belongs to a galaxy, an enormous collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, bound together by the invisible hand of gravity. But galaxies aren't static. They're on the move, drifting, spinning, and sometimes heading for a collision. Galaxies are the architects of the universe, vast cities of stars, often containing billions or even trillions of them. But why do they move? It all starts with the Big Bang, the moment that set the universe expanding. Since then, galaxies have been carried along like cosmic travelers, their motions dictated by gravity, the invisible force shaping the very fabric of the cosmos. Gravity doesn't just hold galaxies together, it also draws them toward one another. Imagine two dancers on a massive stage. At first, they seem to be moving independently, but as they spin closer, their movements sync, drawn together in an intricate, inescapable choreography. And here's where things get truly mind-blowing. Galaxies don't just sit alone in space. They exist in groups, clusters, even superclusters, all tugging and pulling at each other like pieces in a cosmic puzzle. Sometimes, this gravitational dance leads to one of the most dramatic events in the universe, a galactic collision. Did you know that our very own Milky Way is on a collision course with its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy? Yes, a collision that's already in motion, although it won't happen for another 4 billion years. But what happens when two galaxies collide? Chaos? Creation? Or perhaps a bit of both? Before we dive into the chaos, let's take a moment to imagine. Billions of stars, unimaginable distances, and gravity pulling them all together in an epic slow-motion waltz. What do you think happens to the stars, the planets, and even life itself when galaxies collide? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you're already hooked on the wonders of the cosmos. Next, we'll explore the heart of this cosmic collision. What happens when two galaxies meet, and how the universe transforms in the aftermath. Stay tuned. When two galaxies collide, it's not the violent crash you might imagine. Instead of a chaotic smash-up, it's more like a graceful yet dramatic gravitational dance played out over billions of years. Unlike car crashes, where objects physically slam into one another, stars within galaxies are separated by immense distances, trillions of kilometers apart. This means that when galaxies meet, their stars rarely collide. Surprising, isn't it? But what does happen during these cosmic encounters is equally mesmerizing. As the galaxies draw closer, their gravitational forces begin to tug and stretch each other apart, reshaping them into new, chaotic forms. Imagine colossal arms of stars, gas and dust being flung outward, creating what are known as tidal tails. These breathtaking structures arc gracefully into space, like ribbons trailing from two dancers spinning together. And it's not just the shapes of the galaxies that transform. Galactic collisions trigger new life among the stars. The immense gravitational forces compress clouds of gas and dust, igniting furious bursts of star formation. Entire regions of space light up with the birth of thousands or even millions of stars in what astronomers call a starburst. These are the moments when galaxies shine their brightest, briefly becoming some of the most luminous objects in the universe. Real-life examples of these cosmic showdowns are awe-inspiring. Take the antennae galaxies, for instance, two colliding galaxies whose tidal tails stretch out like delicate, glowing antennae in space. Or the Whirlpool Galaxy, where a smaller companion galaxy is merging into its spiral arms, creating dazzling, bursts of star formation that make it one of the most photographed galaxies in the sky. These real-world events give us a glimpse into the stunning beauty and chaos of galactic collisions. So, what do you picture when two galaxies collide? Can you imagine the grandeur of tidal tails stretching across light years, or the brilliant bursts of newborn stars illuminating the darkness of space? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if this cosmic spectacle has you amazed, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wonders of the universe. Next, we'll unravel what happens after the dust settles, when the chaos of collision gives way to the birth of something entirely new. Stay tuned. When galaxies collide, the fate of their stars and the planets orbiting them hangs in a delicate balance. Picture it. Billions of stars, each carrying their own solar systems, pulled and jostled by gravitational forces on an unimaginable scale. But what exactly happens to these stars, and could our Sun, or even Earth, be flung into the vastness of space during such an event? Surprisingly, stars themselves don't often collide. As immense as galaxies are, the space between stars is even greater, like grains of sand separated by kilometers. Instead, gravity becomes the main actor, disrupting the orderly paths of stars and scattering them into new orbits. Some stars are flung into intergalactic space, becoming lonely wanderers in the void. Others are pulled into the heart of the merging galaxies, forming dense star clusters or even feeding supermassive black holes, causing them to grow and unleash powerful jets of energy. And what about planetary systems like ours? As stars are displaced, the gravitational stability of their planets can be thrown into chaos. Planets might be ejected from their orbits, sent careening into their stars, or even cast adrift into the dark expanse of interstellar space. For our own solar system, the outcome depends on how the Sun interacts with the immense gravitational forces of the collision. While it's unlikely that Earth will be flung out of the Milky Way during its future merger with Andromeda, there's still a chance that the Sun could be pulled into a new trajectory, or that its peaceful orbit around the galactic center will be forever altered. But what about life? Could it survive such upheaval? The answer is complex. Life on planets near the galactic core would face intense radiation from starbursts and black holes, making survival nearly impossible. However, for planets like Earth, farther from the galactic chaos, life might endure the collision relatively unscathed, provided that our Sun retains its stability and orbit. The real question is whether life would even notice the changes. After all, these cosmic transformations unfold over millions, sometimes billions, of years. So, could our Sun be flung into the vastness of space, or will it remain a steadfast part of our galaxy's next chapter? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by the fate of stars and planets as we are, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. Next, we'll explore the aftermath of these dramatic events, how galaxies settle into a new identity, and how beauty emerges from chaos. Stay with us. When two galaxies collide, the aftermath is nothing short of a cosmic fireworks show. Gravity's relentless pull compresses vast clouds of gas and dust, igniting waves of rapid star formation in what astronomers call starburst regions. These regions are the universe's nurseries, producing thousands, sometimes millions, of stars in a relatively short period of time. The galaxies, once tranquil, light up with the dazzling glow of newborn stars. But the beauty doesn't stop there. As these stars form, their fates set the stage for some of the most spectacular events in the cosmos. Starbursts aren't just about creation, they're also about destruction. Massive stars that form during these events burn brightly, but live short lives, often ending in cataclysmic explosions called supernovae. When gravity pushes stars too close together, or when a massive star exhausts its fuel, it collapses under its own weight, creating an explosion so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. These supernovae release immense amounts of energy, spreading heavy elements like gold, iron, and oxygen into space, elements that are essential for planets and even life to exist. And then there are the nebulae, enormous, colorful clouds of gas and dust left behind by these supernovae. These nebulae, shaped by shock waves from the explosions, resemble interstellar fireworks frozen in time. Some glow with vivid reds and purples, while others stretch out like shimmering veils of light across the cosmos. They're not just visually stunning, they're also the seeds of the next generation of stars. Real examples of these cosmic fireworks can be seen in galactic collisions like the antennae galaxies, where starburst regions burn brilliantly, or in the aftermath of supernovae like the Crab Nebula, an awe-inspiring reminder of the explosive power of the universe. It's a cycle of destruction and renewal on the grandest scale imaginable, a testament to how even the most chaotic events can create breathtaking beauty. So, what happens when gravity pushes stars too close together? The results are as spectacular as they are transformative. Imagine seeing these interstellar fireworks unfolding across light years of space, a show billions of years in the making. What's your favorite part of this cosmic spectacle? Let us know in the comments below. And if this stellar show has you amazed, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more journeys into the wonders of the universe. Next, we'll explore what happens after the chaos, the calm after the storm, when galaxies settle into something entirely new. Stay tuned. At the heart of most galaxies lies a cosmic giant, a supermassive black hole. These titanic objects, millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun, are already awe-inspiring in their power. But when two galaxies collide, their central black holes begin a slow, inevitable journey toward one another, transforming into two cosmic monsters locked in a gravitational embrace. What happens when they finally merge? The answer is nothing short of spectacular. As galaxies begin their collision, vast amounts of gas and dust are funneled toward the centers of each galaxy, feeding their supermassive black holes like never before. This influx of material ignites the black holes, creating what are known as quasars, blindingly bright beacons of energy visible from billions of light-years away. A quasar shines brighter than an entire galaxy, powered by the intense heat and radiation generated as matter spirals into the black hole at nearly the speed of light. For a time, the merging galaxies become some of the most luminous objects in the universe, outshining everything around them. But the drama doesn't end there. As the galaxies' cores draw closer, so do their supermassive black holes. Over millions of years, they spiral inward, losing energy through gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time itself. These waves, first predicted by Einstein, and now detected by instruments like LIGO, carry away the energy of the orbiting black holes, bringing them closer and closer until, at last, they merge in a final, violent collision. The merger sends a powerful burst of gravitational waves rippling across the universe, a signal that can be detected billions of years later here on Earth. The implications of these black hole collisions are profound. Not only do they reshape the galactic core, but they also give rise to even larger black holes, capable of exerting gravitational influence across vast distances. These supermassive black holes become the anchors of their new merged galaxies, shaping the stars and gas around them for billions of years to come. Imagine two of these cosmic monsters spiraling toward each other, locked in an intricate dance, before finally colliding in an explosion of energy and gravity. It's a sight we can only picture through the lens of science, but its sheer scale is humbling. What do you think it would be like to witness such a cataclysmic event? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if this glimpse into the rise of supermassive black holes has captivated you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cosmic revelations. Next, we'll look at what happens after the collision is complete, how the remnants of two galaxies merge into something entirely new and beautiful. Stay with us. When two galaxies collide, the chaos and destruction eventually give way to something entirely new. The birth of a single, unified galaxy. This transformation is the culmination of billions of years of gravitational dance and cosmic upheaval, reshaping the galaxies forever. But what does this new creation look like? And what does it mean for everything within it, including our own planet, Earth? In most cases, when two spiral galaxies like the Milky Way and Andromeda collide, they don't remain spirals for long. The violent gravitational forces disrupt their beautiful arms, scattering stars and gas in every direction. Over billions of years, the remnants settle into a new, stable shape, typically an elliptical galaxy. Unlike spirals, elliptical galaxies lack the delicate structure of arms and instead form vast egg-like or spherical shapes filled with old stars and little new star formation. The new galaxy may also retain a supermassive black hole at its center, born from the merger of the two original black holes. The process of stabilization is slow and dramatic. Stars, gas, and dust continue to shift and settle, finding new orbits under the influence of the unified galaxy's gravity. The result is a massive, cohesive structure that's often much larger than the original galaxies. This is how some of the universe's largest galaxies, like the giant ellipticals found in galaxy clusters, likely came to exist, a testament to billions of years of cosmic evolution. But what about Earth? Will our planet still exist when the Milky Way and Andromeda form their new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda? The good news is that Earth is unlikely to be directly affected by the collision. While the Sun may move to a new orbit or be relocated within the newly formed galaxy, our solar system will probably survive the chaos relatively intact. However, the night sky will never look the same. Over billions of years, the Andromeda galaxy will grow brighter and closer, eventually merging with the Milky Way to form an entirely new cosmic neighborhood. So, will Earth still exist when the ETA, Milky Way and Andromeda create a new galaxy? Most likely, yes, but humanity may not be around to witness it. Still, it's awe-inspiring to imagine the legacy of our home galaxy being carried forward in a brand new celestial creation. What do you think our Milkomeda might look like? Share your ideas in the comments below. And if this glimpse into the future of our galaxy has left you in wonder, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. Finally, we'll reflect on the bigger picture, what galaxy collisions teach us about the universe, and why these events are both humbling and beautiful. Stay tuned for the conclusion. As we wrap up this cosmic journey, let's bring the story closer to home. Our very own galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This epic merger, already in motion, is predicted to unfold about 4 billion years from now. It's a slow-motion event on a timescale almost impossible to comprehend, but scientists have pieced together a remarkably detailed vision of what's to come. When the Milky Way and Andromeda meet, their graceful spiral arms will be torn apart by gravity, merging into a chaotic, glowing mass of stars, gas, and dust. Over billions of years, the turbulence will give way to stability, and the two galaxies will settle into a new form. An elliptical galaxy scientists have nicknamed Milky. But what does this mean for the solar system? The good news is that the vast distances between stars mean direct collisions are incredibly rare. Earth and the rest of the solar system are unlikely to be destroyed. However, our cosmic neighborhood will likely be displaced, pulled into a new orbit farther from the galaxy's core, or perhaps ejected entirely into intergalactic space. The Sun may also be nearing the end of its life by then, slowly transitioning into a red giant before fading into a white dwarf. But what about humanity? Will we still be here to witness the merging of two galaxies? Given the immense timescales involved, it's unlikely that humans, or any Earth-based life, will still exist. By then, we may have moved on to other worlds, or even other galaxies, if we've survived and advanced far enough as a civilization. Or perhaps our legacy will only remain in the form of ancient artifacts drifting silently through space. Beyond the Milky Way's fate, the long-term future of galaxies is shaped by the expansion of the universe. Over trillions of years, as galaxies continue to merge, and the universe grows colder and darker. The Milky galaxy may be one of the last beacons of light in an otherwise empty cosmos. It's a humbling thought. Even galaxies, these vast, seemingly eternal structures, have a life cycle shaped by collisions, chaos, and cosmic evolution. So, will humanity still be around to witness the birth of the Milky galaxy, or will we be long gone? The answer might be unknowable, but the idea itself invites us to reflect on our place in the universe. What do you think? Will our species leave a lasting mark on the cosmos? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this journey through the life and death of galaxies, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to keep exploring the wonders of the universe. As we've seen, galactic collisions are some of the most awe-inspiring events in the universe. They are a testament to the duality of destruction and creation on a cosmic scale. These celestial encounters rip galaxies apart, scattering stars and planets into chaos. And yet, out of this turbulence, new structures emerge. Starburst regions light up the darkness, supermassive black holes grow, and entirely new galaxies are born. In the universe, destruction and creation are not opposites, but partners in an eternal dance, each giving rise to the other. It's humbling to consider that these events, which unfold over billions of years, are integral to the universe's evolution. Without galactic collisions, we wouldn't have the star-forming regions or heavy elements that give rise to planets, life, and even us. In a way, every collision is a step in the story of how the cosmos has come to be, and how it continues to transform. So, what does this cosmic dance teach us about our place in the universe? Perhaps it's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, from the smallest atom on Earth to the largest galaxy in the sky. It shows us that even in destruction, there is beauty, and in chaos, there is order waiting to emerge. As we look up at the stars, we're not just seeing distant lights. We're witnessing the echoes of cosmic events that shaped the universe itself. What are your thoughts? How do you see yourself in this grand cosmic story? Let us know in the comments below. And if this exploration of the universe has sparked your imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, we'll continue to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos, one story at a time.